This is a quick review of the electric heating vest by GODONLIF. I got the women's extra large. Since no one's really talked about the measurements, this is supposedly the women's, and it is women's extra large. The pit to pit measurement is 22 inches and collar to hem is 26 inches. You have to supply your own battery pack, so I've got this big clunker, and as you can see, the pocket has the attachment for the cord to plug into your battery, which is what you need to supply yourself. And then the operation is here. You got three different heat settings. So it is lined with a nice soft micro fleece interior. And then here are the heating panels, which are very thin. It's very impressive just how lightweight these little heating pads are. I guess it's just a little wire inside of there, but they're very effective. And but overall, this fleece is very thin, and I would say it's thinner than your typical fleece sweater that you might have. So this is a very low bulk vest, which is nice because it's good for layering. But on its own, without being turned on, it's in my opinion, not going to give you a lot of warmth until you, turn it on. And that's either a plus or minus. I think, it's certainly a low bulk vest. I like the silver zippers, which do kind of catch the light and promote visibility. It has no interior pockets, so it's just these two exterior. And when it's not plugged in, you can then use this protective cover over your USB to keep that clean and dust-free. And, whatever battery you get, you're obviously going to have to be able to stuff in the pocket. And I think this is kind of, oh, it does fit. Look at that. But obviously, your battery's going to be heavy and the whole thing is going to sort of hang down depending on the size of the battery you put in. And so that's really your choice. But pretty innovative, and it does work. Nice sizing. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this before.